Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Van Treese. I authored the book, How to Be a Winner, a lifestyle guide to achieving and maintaining health. I practice brain-based therapy, and today I'd like to talk to you about balance disorders. 90 million adult Americans have experienced a dizziness or balance problem. 40% of the population will experience dizziness in their lifetime. Balance disorder is one of two most common diagnoses for short-stay hospital admissions in individuals over 65 years of age. And balance-related falls are greater than half of the accidental deaths and 75% of the emergency room visits of the elderly population. In the United States, medical care for balance disorders is greater than $1 billion a year. So balance disorders, dizziness, vertigo, what does this mean? It's a huge problem. Now there are two types of balance disorders or dizziness: egocentric and geocentric. Geocentric is when the patient perceives that the room is spinning, and egocentric is when the patient feels as if they themselves are spinning. Medical treatment is typically going to be the prescription for meclizine. If this doesn't work, they might be referred to a physical therapist for Canalith training, which is a series of head exercises. Many times, a medical diagnosis of vertigo will suggest an inner ear problem, and this leads to a diagnosis of BPPV, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. And this may be correct. However, balance is related to many other neuro and anatomical areas as well, including the frontal lobe of the brain, the cerebellum, the spinal cord, the visual system, and our proprioceptive system. With brain-based therapy, we're going to take a neurological approach. We're going to do a complete neurological examination to determine which part of the nervous system is not functioning properly. And then we're going to treat that, thereby treating the true cause of your dizziness. We're going to do that with fuel and activation, oxygen, and therapy. I encourage you to watch the Introduction to BBT video on the home page of our website, and there you'll hear more about BBT and the therapies that we use in our office to increase activation of dysfunctional regions of the brain and thereby eliminating people's dizziness and balance disorders. Thank you for your time. I look forward to working with you, and I look forward to helping you live the life that you deserve.